Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by using your Deped email and single sign-on to access Microsoft 365. This ties your identity to school systems. Once signed in, enable multi-factor authentication and register the Authenticator app or a mobile number to prevent lockouts. Next, install Office apps or open the web apps and immediately set up OneDrive sync so your files auto-save. This combination secures your account and prepares your device so you can move straight into creating classes, files, and permissions. You now build the instructional environment by creating a team per class and choosing the correct privacy level. Once created, add co-teachers and student groups so roles are clear. Use Class Notebook for notes, assignments to distribute work, and the gradebook to track scores. Attach rubrics to speed consistent grading. Meanwhile, move curriculum files into SharePoint and set folder permissions by role so materials are shared only with intended groups. Make sure to test student access with one test account. You finish by securing data and making operations repeatable. Enable OneDrive version history, schedule SharePoint site backups, and export usage and assignment reports for audits. Once done, run a simulated submission and grading cycle to confirm workflows and document the support checklist with common fixes. If something goes wrong, the key troubleshooting tip is to clear cached credentials and re-authenticate the Deped SSO. This resolves most access and sync errors quickly, so you can resume teaching without a full reinstall.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.